Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to raise some dough at the bakery. Specifically, the song Bakery by Melanie Martinez. I'm going to teach you guys a dance. Alright, so we're coming around for pack it, box it, flip it, top it, with the bow tie fit in, stop it. On stop it, you come here for the leg in and you're stopping. And then you're eating all the rainbow cookies and starting to get to you. You're like, ooh. So stop it. Eating all the rainbow cookies. Pies are flying through the roof. And you come back here. That's the loop. All right, let's do it one more time. So we're here for, and pack it, box it, flip it, top it, with the bow tie fit in, stop it. Eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof. Boop. And you come around and do it again. That's the loop. So, loop this as many times as you need. Practice makes perfect. Trust me, I was one of those people that it takes me a long time to do choreography. I have to do it over and over again 100 times. And then I'll get it. So if that's you, good luck. You got this. Take your time. Be patient with yourself. And don't tell yourself, I need to nail this today. Do it. Learn as much as you can today. Kind of get an idea of it. Come back to it tomorrow or another day. It's going to stay fresh in your mind, just like riding a bike. It's going to come back to you. And the more you do it, the more you're going to feel confident and comfortable when you do it, that to the point that you can do it while you're talking and doing other things, okay? So just have fun with it and don't get too crazy about getting everything perfect. Just have fun, okay? Because that's what dancing is all about.